Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: an athlete eats 2 dozen mangoes in a day. The number of mangoes he will eat in the month of July is. Means we have to find the number of mangoes that athlete eats in the month of July. Firstly, here we have given athlete eats 2 dozen mangoes in a day. As we know that number of days in the month of July are 31 days. So, number of mangoes he will eat in 31 days will be, as in one day he'll eat 2 dozen mangoes. So in 31 days he will eat 31 into 2, that is 62 dozen mangoes. As 1 dozen equals to 12, so 62 dozens will be 62 into 12. One dozen equals to 12. Now multiply this 62 into 12. 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12. Add 0 to the units place. 1 2s are 2, 6 1s are 6. Add these two values. 4 plus 0 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. So here it is 744 mangoes. Hence, athlete will eat 744 mangoes in the month of July.